Installation Qualification, IQ, verifies that the installation is correct and all elements of the software are installed as specified. An IQ check is run automatically after first-time installation or update of Chromeleon CDS on a computer, but can also be run at any time by an authorized user or administrator. Chromeleon Installation Qualification. This can be accessed from the Tools menu in the Chromeleon console. The installation qualification runs immediately. Close the dialog box to view the IQ report. The report opens in a web browser. Any errors, warnings or recommendations are shown at the top of the report. Open the Shortcuts menu to jump to sections. And the relevant information is displayed. Expand each item to see all the information. The IQ can also be started from the Windows menu. The current report can be viewed, or all the reports can be accessed. An administrator can run an IQ check on any remote computer in the Chromeleon domain. The Updater status column shows when it is running and completed. Then the report can be viewed. Running installation qualification check reports is easy with Chromeleon CDS.